first item? I have no idea. I want to put this outside my door, like a cute welcoming sign. It's a welcome sign. Cutie. It has this. Gorgeous. I think this is a storage rack, if I'm not so sure, but we'll see. I think this top, I have ordered it in all colors. First of all, lightweight, cute. You see? Love it. I think you guys have seen me with almost every color of this top. I have black, I have red. Now, I said before the shopping spree ends, let me get the yellow for the tribe, you know? You'll see the use of this while I start using them. You'll see. Oh my god. You see, the thing is, I ordered items. Ow. Wow. Gorgeous. Mpishi. My kitchen is about to look gorgeous. Look at this. Oh. It's obvious, I love yellow. And the material, so good. Oh, like something like for spreading some oil. If you're cooking, you just dip. Let's see what else. Ooh. So you know what actually happened? All my salt shakers and pepper shakers, they were broken by my kids. So new ones. So this has like a P and this has like an S. How is P? This way? I don't know. Which side is a P, guys? This way. Just can't find my scissors. Then evening dancing. I'm just a guy. Guys, I was finding scissors to open these ones, and I popped into another item. Oh man. Okay. Let me try this one. Actually, I don't know what it is. Wait, what's this? Ah. I remember. I don't know whether you guys will be able to see. Can you see? It's like an avocado. So this is like an orange. These are, what do you call them? Fridge stickers, like magnets. You see, they got a magnet on the back. You just stick them on your fridge like this, and this is how they'll appear. I think they're beautiful. Yeah, like this. You'll see. I'll show you guys. I'll show you. When I tell you people, I'm just a girl, I'm just a girl. So one of my, what do you call, guilty pleasures is I'm always shopping. I just can't help it. So I got these cute tops. What a good egg. More shopping. More shopping, more shopping. Most of the items you won't be able to tell what they are unless they are either worn or I've put them into use. So unless like for the house, like for the kitchen stuffs, unless like I organize them and put them together so that you can see them as a whole item, it will be so difficult for you to tell what is going on where. So I think what I'll do, I'll just finish unboxing, organize them, and then I'll show you each item, how they appear. This is like a sticker, I guess. Not so sure, but I guess so. So guys, let me just put them together, assemble everything, and then I'll show you everything that I got, from the kitchen stuffs to, let's say, everything, basically everything. I'll show you guys. Stay tuned. Hi everyone, what's up my good people? How is everyone doing? It's Agi. Welcome to my channel and thank you for tuning in. In today's video, I'm just doing a little bit of unboxing and organizing. I received a little packet that I had ordered from Shein, so I just did the unboxing and I'll assemble everything together, put everything together, and I'm going to show you guys how everything turned out. So kindly, if you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly consider subscribing, liking and sharing with your friends and families, and welcome home. Thank you for always tuning in. Asanteni sana. Oh, more stuffs. This is like a kitchen chopper. I think it's so cute. What do you think, guys? What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? So my guilty pleasures, I'll say, like, what is it? Always buying, especially kitchen stuffs. God, somebody should save me from those. Kitchen and let's say home, the deco pieces, the water, they always get me, man. I just don't know how to avoid them. I guess that's how things, they just are. But actually they're not bad. No regrets. Just live life to the fullest, guys. If you can afford it at the moment, just go get it. Go get it. This, unless I assemble it, you won't know. Myself, I won't know also. So here, I can't tell what's here. So let me just open that. One of the items. So this is like, I don't even know why I got this, but what to do? My kids will gonna think like this is a red food. Look at the line. Guys, look at the apple. It's not a fruit. They are not real. They're not real. He woke up while I was still organizing, so we took a mommy break.
Oh my god.